Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a fax in Outlook. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook up. Then, once you've opened it, you will be directed to your homepage. To start this, click on New Email at the top left corner. Now a pop-up window will show. For the first line, you need to type in the fax number. For example, I will type in a number. Then, you also need to type in the designated server address at efaxsend.com. This will enable Outlook to convert your email into a fax. For the second line, you will type in what the document is about. Now, for attaching the file, click on Insert. Then, click the Attach File icon. Then click Browse this computer. Click your file, then Upload. After attaching the file, make sure to check the details first, then click Send. And that's it. That's how you send a fax in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.